Many tires that fit SUVs and CUVs have fallen into the UHP tire segment. This itself presents some challenges when you're looking to sell a customer a replacement tire that fits their driving needs. We take a look at some fitment nuances for SUVs, CUVs, and pickups next. SUVs, CUVs, and half-ton pickups usually come factory-equipped with a P-metric or Eurometric tire. When you're looking to sell a customer a replacement tire, first match a vehicle's maximum load carrying capacity with the load carrying capacity of the tire at the OE prescribed inflation pressure. A common misconception is that you can install an LT metric tire and increase the load carrying or towing capacity of the vehicle. That's simply not the case. The tire is only one factor that goes into the load rating of a vehicle. Others include the suspension spring rate, the capacity of the braking system, the design and rated strength of the suspension components, the frame, subframe, and body structure. LT metric tires can be installed on half-ton and smaller vehicles with their durability and strength being the main advantages. But increased weight, higher required inflation pressures, and higher purchase price are the disadvantages. In contrast, P-metric tires, as you may have guessed, are lighter weight, lower in cost, and have higher load carrying capacity at lower pressures prescribed by the vehicle manufacturer. Understanding the differences in vehicle makes and models, driver preferences, and performance trade-offs is key to making the best decision for an application. I'm Maddie Winer, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.